Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAOI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. You say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above $10.65. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $10.65, I am not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could, break up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the overall point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50 period at simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 1065 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance headed into Wednesday? Initial level, pretty straightforward, nothing fancy or complicated behind it other than the fact of the party today finally stopped right up there around $11.15. So $11.15, that near-term level. If $11.15 can be broken, then the next key level to keep an eye on would be that high from a few weeks ago back there at $11.40. Out of curiosity, see when was that? Back on June 27th. So if the price, like I said, can get up above $11.15, then that's putting it at highs that haven't been seen for a while. And I feel like after that level, yeah, if it can break above there, then that's a situation where the price has not been up that high for a very, very long time. So one hurdle at a time. I don't want to map out too many levels, but just keep an eye on those couple of near-term levels of resistance. Overall, though, great movement today, great volume, and now it's just a matter of starting to chip away and build higher bases, because as long as you have higher bases, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations, and let's see if this thing can really start to build a trend on itself. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.